Check the furnace transformer is supplying a stable secondary voltage between the R and C terminals under actual load to confirm it is not overloaded or faulty. Start by switching off power to the furnace at the service switch. Then remove the furnace access panel and locate the transformer, typically a small metal case device mounted on the furnace chassis, with two primary leads connected to the line side and two secondary leads labeled R and C that feed the control circuit. If the transformer is the uncommon split winding style, identify the correct secondary pair before testing. With power restored and the thermostat calling for heat, set a digital multimeter to measure alternating current voltage on the secondary and place the probes on the R and C terminals. A healthy transformer will read near the rated secondary voltage, often 24 volts, under load, while readings well below that or zero indicate overload or open secondary. To test under real load, energize the system so that the gas valve or relay coil draws current. Measure voltage while the load is applied because an unloaded measurement can be misleadingly normal. If the voltage sags significantly when the load is applied, the transformer is overloaded or its internal impedance has increased and the component should be replaced with one matching the original voltage and equal or higher volt-ampere rating. Always confirm replacement units meet the furnace manufacturer's specifications to prevent control board damage. For intermittent faults, wiggle the transformer connections and inspect terminals for corrosion, looseness, or heat discoloration, and replace any compromised connectors or wiring. Use crimped ring terminals and heat shrink tubing for reliable, service-grade splices. If the secondary measures open circuit, verify continuity through the transformer windings with the meter on the ohm setting. No continuity means an internal winding failure and replacement is required. Common mistakes include measuring voltage without applying the control load, which can show normal open circuit voltage and mask internal weakness. Remedy this by measuring while the system is actively calling for heat. A second issue is misidentifying the R and C terminals on multi-winding transformers or power distribution boards, leading to incorrect measurements. Resolve by tracing wires back to the transformer secondary or consulting the wiring diagram and labeling terminals before testing. Third, using an incorrect replacement transformer with a lower volt-ampere capacity causes repeated overloads and premature failure. Always match or exceed the original transformer's volt-ampere rating and verify the secondary voltage is the same. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local HVAC contractors who can perform accurate transformer testing and safe replacements, and the site helps contractors find qualified leads in their service areas by listing verified projects and contact opportunities.